Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach and thanks for joining me today to tour my newest listing. The condos at 925 Lawson are some of my favorite in the city. I love that your outdoor space is a private courtyard, but you also have a ton of open green space that makes it really feel like your own private backyard. I also love that the interior of these units is a bright open floor plan on the main floor. The kitchen has plenty of cabinet space and also this beautiful prep island as well. I also love that the master bedroom in these units is huge and features a walk-in closet. Don't forget to check out the link to the full 3D walkthrough tour of this condo where you can explore it from the comfort of your very own home. Let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private showing. Thanks for watching.